Hey guys, fall is officially here in Georgia, and today I'm going to be cleaning my entire kitchen, and I'm going to tell you about this trick that I learned about my Swiffer mop, and then I'm going to make this really good vegetarian pasta recipe. First, we're going to start with the dishes. I feel like I don't have anywhere to clean until I have the dishes in the dishwasher. Been a while since I cleaned out my microwave, so first I'm going to use a paper towel to get all the little crumbs out. So if you go to clean out your microwave, remember to look at the very top of the microwave. I almost forgot, and I looked up and I was like, ugh, that was the worst part. Now for the appliances. I feel like besides mopping, having all the fingerprints wiped off the appliances makes the kitchen look extra clean. And now, because I don't do germs, I'm going to take a Lysol wipe around and wipe all the cabinet handles. So this is the little Swiffer trick I was telling you about. I learned it from How Jen Does It. Love that channel. But she said you can just take an old sock and use it as the cover for your Swiffer instead of buying those little Swiffer cover disposable things that they sell. And you can just use the sock and then throw it in the washing machine when you're done. And it works perfect, and I love not having to buy those little Swiffer things anymore. This is the recipe for the pasta I'm going to make. I'm going to make my favorite pasta. It's Rachel Ray, and even though I am not a big fan of cooking, this one is easy enough for me that I can do it, so you know you can do it. Let me show you these ingredients. So there's the mushrooms, the marinated ones, and the regular ones, the portobello ones, and the cubanelle, and then an onion, and I totally cheated, and got these peppers that are already chopped up in place of the red pepper that the recipe calls for. You may not be able to see it, sorry about the camera angle, but I'm using that little trick from Rachel Ray where you put the scraps from everything you're cutting and peeling with vegetables and stuff in a bowl on the counter and then just go through all of it away at the end instead of going back and forth to the trash can. It really saved time. I used a Ninja for this part for these mushrooms, and if you want your mushrooms a little bit bigger, you might not want to use the Ninja because it chops them up really, really fine. And so if you want them a little bit chunkier, you might not want to use a Ninja and just cut it by hand. And sliced, and we are ready for our next step. Just kidding, I forgot the hot peppers, but I chopped those up in the Ninja and they're ready to go. Okay, I have the water to boil, and then I have this olive oil in this pan, and I'm going to start adding the mushrooms and the vegetables. Forgot the bell peppers, but I remember them at the last minute and I put them in and it turned hope you guys try this soon. It's one of my favorites.